Welcome to Active Recovery. Hopefully you made it through all 9 circuits, and this is the final one. Come into a seated straddle. These will be all moving stretches. Sit up nice and tall. I'm circling out my neck here. Here we go. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, gentle back bend. Fingertips back, heart to sky. You can release the head if it feels good. Inhale up, exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale up, side stretch to the left. That is the sequence. Arms up, forward fold. Arms up, gentle back bend. Hips forward, heart up. Side stretch. Imagine you are moving through water. You're creating tension and resistance with the body, keeping the muscles active and the breath moving. Exhale as you deepen the stretch. Great job. Moving on, we're going to stay seated. Single leg stretch to a low lunge. Bend the left knee in, maybe reach for those right toes, and here we go. We're gonna lift up straight spine, grab the right foot, toes to sky. The knee can be bent or straight depending on your hamstring flexibility. Shift into low lunge, cactus back bend. Hands down, step the back foot through, and switch. Left toes to sky, seated leg stretch, shift onto the right foot, slip the left foot back, lunge, cactus back bend. Hands down, left foot slips forward, grab the right foot, stretch it up, shift onto the left foot, fingertips down, slip the right foot to lunge. Continue that sequence and moving at your own pace and range, trying to increase your flexibility with each one, never forcing, should feel no pain, but definitely challenging those edges. Little discomfort's okay. And you made it through that one. Next one, Malasana, crab reach to triangle pose. Come into a deep yogi squat, settle the hips here, ankles, and here we go. We're gonna take a reach back crab reach, yogi squat, same direction, triangle trikonasana pose. Stack shoulders, stack hips. Malasana, crab reach, a little reverse table on one hand, hips up, chest up. Same direction, triangle trikonasana. Turn your toes, stack your shoulders and ribs. Only, of course, go to your depth, but challenging that, breathing in, seeing if you can create a little bit more space each time you revisit a shape. And time. Come onto your feet. We're going to take a forward fold, lunge to half split, all standing poses. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. As you lift the spine, step the right foot back, high lunge to a standing half split or pyramid pose. Arms up, chest down, step together. Inhale up, exhale, forward fold, swan dive down. As you straighten out, left foot back, high lunge, shift your hips back, straighten the legs, pyramid, step together. Continue that sequence at your own pace. Forward fold, high lunge, pyramid. Step back right, front knee is bent, and then it straightens as you shift the hips back. You can flex those front toes if you'd like. A little bit more of a balance challenge there. And deeper hamstring and calf stretch. Hit each shape with each breath. Great, we're gonna come onto our knees for the next one, moving through camel pose to rabbit pose. So a back bend to a forward fold. Set up your camel. You can tuck your toes under for a little more space to reach the heel. Let's go side to side on the first one. Reach your right hand back and then your left hand back. Untuck your toes, grab your heels, tuck your chin, top of the head to mat, hips up. Separate the shoulders and the vertebrae. Come back to the knees. So if you can, we'll try to keep those hands connected to the heels now. Camel Ustrasana, lower the toes, forward fold, lift hips high. Little weight on the top of the head, not all of your weight though. Roll through that. Camel. It's okay if you can't reach the heels. When you sit, you can grab the heels for your rabbit pose. Keep breathing, moving through your own time and space. It should feel good. Beautiful job. Flip yourself around for a child's pose, or you can take a quick puppy pose stretch, lowering your chest to the mat. It will be a hovering child's or a loaded beast to lizard lunge twist. Load your beast, step the left foot out. Lizard lunge twist, horizon arms and hips down and up, step back, drop into puppy. Lift your knees and step the right foot forward. Lizard, twist, horizon stretch. Hips sink, hips lift, step back. Puppy. Hover the knees, step the left foot forward, lizard twist. Horizon stretch, hips sink. Look to the back foot. Stretch it around, step back. Puppy in between if you'd like, and then right foot lizard lunge. Twist, horizon, hips down, hips up, step back, drop into puppy. Stay a breath. And moving into a standing sequence. Come onto your feet for a quad stretch, dancer pose, standing split. That is the sequence. Here we go. Left foot tucks in, hamstring curl, quad stretch, arm up, kick into dancer. Make your way down to standing split, even if you need to let that leg go. Quick standing split for a breath, strong, step down, flat back to rise. Hamstring stretch, right foot, arm up, kick into dancer. Make your way down to half split. Might even get a sugar cane there for a moment if you can keep that connection. Continue your breath. Quad stretch, dancer, float down, standing split. Great job. 2 more stretches to go. Go ahead and come into a seated position for some 90-90 hip rotations. Then we'll slide onto our back for a spinal twist and a bridge. Here we go. Legs swivel 90-90, right, left, right. Lower down onto your forearm and onto your back. Press into bridge pose, hip lift, heart up. Knees other way, spinal twist, roll onto your forearm in a circle and then come back up. Swivel the knees side to side. Drop through forearm, circle the shoulders to the mat. Spinal twist, knees up, step on the feet, bridge pose. Breath here. Swivel the knees the other way. Roll onto your forearm, walk your way up. Continue 90-90 knee switch, switch, forearm down, swivel onto the shoulders, Switch those knees and just roll up since we're out of time. And our last one, we're coming into a happy baby, straddle stretch, roll into a forward pancake stretch. So you can start in Supta Baddha Konasana, grab your ankles, knees wide, happy baby, straddle inner thigh hamstrings, gather momentum, rock into your pancake forward fold straddle. Repeat that sequence. Roll back, grab your ankles, Supta Baddha Konasana, butterfly, happy baby, straddle, rock and roll, seated straddle, pancake fold. One more time through that. And come on up, bring those feet together, forward fold here, couple more stretches. Right hand back, left knee bends, wild thing, hips and heart to sky. Inhale and exhale. Take another forward fold over both feet. And then wild thing the other way, left hand back, bend right knee, send the hips and heart up. Breath in, breath out. Turn your body, slip yourself into downward facing dog, pedal, take some cat-cow actions in the spine, rounding and arching, and same thing on all fours. Any shapes you want to make here. And you can always repeat this sequence through 2 times. I hope you enjoyed these 10 days as much as I did. I really appreciate you practicing with me. Thank you so much. Let me know how it went. I'd love to hear from you.